How to change custom font settings in Google Chrome on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to adjust your font style and size in Chrome in just a few steps. First, open the Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Let me show you. From there, click on Settings. At this point, click on Appearance on the left side menu to open the Appearance settings. In the next step, scroll down and look for the font size option. Click on the drop-down to change the size. From there, you'll see options like very small, small, medium, large, and very large. Select whichever size suits you best. At this stage, scroll down further and click on Customize Fonts to open the advanced font settings. Let me show you. Following this, you'll see options to change the font size and minimum font size using sliders. Drag them left or right to adjust. Once done, below the sliders you'll see four font style options: standard font, serif font, sans serif font, and fixed width font. From there, click on the drop-down next to each one to choose your preferred font style from the list. At this stage, as you make changes, you'll see a live preview below each option showing exactly how the font will look on web pages. Here's an important note. Changing font settings in Chrome only affects how websites display text in your browser. It won't change fonts in other apps or system-wide settings on your PC. Finally, once you're happy with your font settings, close the Settings tab. Your changes will be saved automatically and applied to all websites you visit in Chrome going forward. And that's it. If this guide helped you change font settings in Chrome on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.